Welcome my dear students. So in this session we are going to see about the application of dimensional analysis, that is how to convert a physical quantity from one system of unit to another. So in this we are going to see an example sum, that is convert 76 centimeter of mercury pressure into Newton per meter square using the method of dimensions. So here what's given, convert 76 centimeter of mercury pressure into Newton per meter square. So here we have to convert the pressure. First you should remember that pressure is not given. Only the height of the mercury column is given as 76 centimeter. Okay. So here the pressure, what is this unit? Centimeter. Centimeter means the pressure in CGS. Okay. We have to convert the pressure in CGS system to the pressure in SI system. Into SI is given, no? SI only this meter unit will come. In CGS system, centimeter. So, we have to convert the pressure from in CGS system to SI system. Okay. So, here we can write, we don't know the pressure value. Pressure value is not given. This is the first system and this is the second system. So, the first one we can take it as P1. Pressure P1 is equal to H rho G. This is the formula to find the pressure. H rho G. H is the height of the mercury column. Rho is the density of mercury and G is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay. So here height of the mercury column is given, it is 76 into the density of mercury is 13.6 gram per centimeter cube. So it is 13.6 into G value, we all know it is 9.8 ms power minus 2. So it is CGS system, no? So we have to convert it into centimeter per second square. So we have to multiply it with 100. So what will you get? 980 centimeter per second square. So instead of G we had write 980. So if you multiply all these values, you will get 1012928.0. Like this you will get if you multiply. Okay. So this decimal point I am going to move it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 1.01 into 10 power 6. Okay. Into 10 power 6. What is the unit for pressure in CGS system? So here it's given in SI system, it is Newton per meter square. So instead of Newton we had write dyne, that is the unit of force. For meter we had write centimeter per minus 2. Okay. So what is this? The value of pressure. So the value of pressure we have found out. So if you are not getting time to multiply this, directly you can remember this answer and write it is 1.01 into 10 power 6 dyne per centimeter square. Okay. So we know the value of P1. We have to find the value of P2. Okay. So for this, again we have to know the value of M1. M1, what is this system? CGS. So M1 is 1 gram. For L1 we had write C. So it is 1 centimeter and T1 is 1 second. Similarly here we can write M2. This is SI system, so it is MKS. So mass is in kilogram, 1 kg, and the length L2 is in 1 meter and time T2 is 1 second. Okay. So we have to convert the pressure value which is in CGS to the pressure in SI system. That is what it is asked in the question. Okay. So here for converting we should remember a rule. N2U2 is equal to N1U1. N2U2 is equal to N1U1. The numerical value of pressure in the second system, that is second system is SI system. Okay, so it is P2. That is what we are going to find into U2. For that U2, we have to write the dimensional formula for pressure. So for that we have to write, this is the second system, so it is M2, L2, T2, and for the powers we don't know the powers, no, so we have to write it as A, B, C. which is equal to N1, the numerical value of the quantity in the first system. That is, the first system is CGS system. First system is CGS system. The numerical value of pressure. So instead of N1, we have to write P1 into the dimensional formula. So it is M1, L1, T1 for the powers A, B, C. So in the next step, we have to write P2 is equal to P1 into M1 power A, L1 power B, T1 power C by this term comes down. So it is M2 power A, L2 power B and T2 power C. Okay. So in the next step, I will be writing M1 and M2 in one bracket. So here we will get P2 is equal to P1 into M1 by M2 the whole power A into, so instead of M1 by M2, so I written M1 by M2 the whole power A. Next L1 by L2 the whole power B into T1 by T2 the whole power C. So L1 by L2 the whole power B into T1 by T2 the whole power C. In the next step, we have to substitute all the values. Okay. So we know the value of P1. P1 we have found out already. Then M1, M2 we know. We don't know this A, B and C. So for finding the A, B and C, we have to find the dimensional formula for pressure. Okay. So what is the formula for pressure? Pressure is equal to force by area. So apply the dimension. The dimension for force is M, L, T power minus 2. Area it is L square. So it is L and L gets cancelled. So it is M. This L comes to the numerator. So L power minus 1. T power minus 2. So from this we can write this power, the power of M is taken as 1. That is our A. And this minus 1 is B. And this minus 2 is C. So we can write A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 1. And C is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now we are going to substitute all the values. So we'll get P2 is equal to, what is the value of P1? 1.01 into 10 power 6. So 1.01 into 10 power 6. Substitute the value of M1 and M2. What is M1? M1 is 1 gram and M2 is 1 kilogram. So 1 gram by 1 kilogram. The whole power for A we have to substitute 1. For L1 L1 is 1 centimeter. Here it's 1 meter. So 1 centimeter by 1 meter. The whole power B value is minus 1. 1 second by 1 second, the whole power C, it is minus 2. Okay, so which is equal to 1.01 into 10 power 6. So here, either we can convert this gram to kilogram or kilogram to gram. Okay, so I am going to convert this kilogram to gram. So we know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So instead of 1000, we can write 10 power 3 grams, the whole power 1. And 1 centimeter by, instead of 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So for 100 we can write 10 square centimeter, the whole power minus 1. Here 1 second and 1 second gets cancelled. So the 1 to the power of minus 2, the value is 1. So which is equal to 1.01 into 10 power 6. This gram and gram gets cancelled. So when this 10 power 3 comes up, you will get 10 power minus 3, the whole power 1. Here centimeter gets cancelled. So it is 10 power minus 2, the whole power minus 1. So the value will be 1.01 into 10 power 6. 10 power minus 3 into 1 is 10 power minus 3 into 10 power. Here minus into minus plus. So it is 10 square. So finally 1.01 into 10 power. So 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 10 power 5. What is this? P2. P2 means the pressure in SI system. Okay, the pressure in SI system. The unit is given here. It is Newton per meter square. Okay. So we have converted the pressure in CGS system to the pressure in SI system. Okay, so hope you have understood this topic very well. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Anandi. Bye.